Hello everyone, I just wanted to make a real quick video and talk about the HAbricks versus Lego lawsuit, as a lot of people have been emailing me and I've even seen some comments in my recent videos. And first things first, there's a lot of misinformation going on around about that lawsuit right now. I've seen posts on Reddit, I've seen people make other YouTube videos about it. And most are saying it's because they're modifying Lego parts by doing things like installing bearings and printing on Lego parts. And I'm here to tell you, if that was actually the case, there would be a ton of people that are going to be in some deep trouble. For example, for printing, you have massive companies like Bricks, Eclipse Graphics. Both of them do a lot of custom printing, and they both do it all on official Lego pieces. And honestly, Lego does not have a problem with that. Where they would have a problem, for example, K-Town. He prints on official Lego minifig parts. And Lego doesn't have a problem with that. But if you were making a duplicate of the Lego minifig, now you would be getting in deep trouble. But because they're printing on official pieces, there's no issues. The same thing goes with Eclipse Graphics. All their stuff is done on official Lego parts. And again, there is no issue there. The issue is in how you word and present the products that you're selling. So, for example, I sell a lot of different custom printed glass on my website. Now, there's a point in me saying that. It's custom printed glass. It's Lego compatible, but it is not on official Lego parts. And it's okay to say that something is Lego compatible or a building brick window. But you can't say, for example, on my website, I can't list it as being a Lego window because it is not. And that is where, honestly, that HAbricks has gotten in trouble. Let's take a look at some of the Lego sets that they sell. Now, if you're not aware, HAbricks is a big name in the Lego train community. They design and sell a variety of different Lego train mocks. And I keep saying Lego for a reason. They do use Lego parts. But let's kind of take a quick look at what the lawsuit that Lego is sending, or what the lawsuit is that Lego is prosecuting them with, and see what the wording states. Lego argued that HAbricks did not sufficiently differentiate which parts are Lego bricks and which parts are modified bricks. And let's take a quick look real close at the box art on the HAbricks sets. If you look down at the corner of every single set they sell, like this set, for example, it says 1,642 Lego and compatible brick pieces. And that, my friends, is where the problem is. Lego's problem is that they're selling and labeling on their box that they're selling Lego parts, but they're also including stuff that has been modified, and obviously they're also selling stuff that is Lego compatible. And they're trying to say that all in one sentence, and that's a big no. Now, do I think that the way the suit is going is fair? Absolutely not. I think Lego is kind of over jumping the bounds and trying to punish them beyond any type of belief. I think it's ridiculous what they're asking. I think a simple cease and desist would be sufficient, because they're not claiming that they're Lego. Even on their website, it says that they have no affiliation to Lego. They do use Lego in their sets, and you think that Lego would be happy about it, but Lego is Lego, and they are trying to protect their brand. So that's why they're coming down hard on HAbricks. I personally feel like this is kind of them picking on somebody in the environment, because they're trying to make an example of HAbricks to prevent other people from doing this type of thing. Something else that is worth noting is HAbricks is located in the EU, the European Union. And with that, there are some different rules that apply over there. Here in the United States, Lego could really only come after people for patent infringement. And in the EU, for example, they can go after design infringement and a lot of other things. Where here in the United States, all of Lego's patents have expired. So just doing simple things like that, they can't really come after anybody. But I guarantee you they can come after you if you are using their trademark name in a way that they do not see fit. And that is where anybody, including myself, does have to be careful. To summarize things, because I know a lot of people are afraid that I'm going to be getting in trouble by doing what I'm doing in marketing and selling the power pickups, I don't have any personal fears from anything like that happening. Yes, I am using Lego parts. No, I am not advertising them as a Lego pickup. They are simply advertised as a power pickup for trains. Even on my packaging from what I'm selling my products for, the labels that are on my products are Power Functions Train Power Pickup. And then I have my website listed at the bottom of that sticker as well. I do not say anything about that being Lego, even though I'm using Lego parts. And I do say that I'm using Lego parts in the description, but that they are modified. And again, I want to point out that nothing that I am doing is official Lego. This is my own creation. I'm just using some Lego parts because I know people usually get a warm, fuzzy feeling when you use official Lego parts in making things. Anyway, I hope that kind of clears up a little bit about the HAbricks lawsuit and helps people get a better understanding of what is really going on, because again, it's not because they're modifying them, it's not because they're printing on them. It's because the way that they labeled the box on the sets that they sell is exactly why they have got in trouble. Anyway, until next time, we'll see you on Bevins Bricks.